Yeah, man. We in here talking about it now. I'm extremely disappointed with these. The bottom not even red, but it's like the cough drop. The damn cough drop medicine more red than this, bro. That's why they called it that. Yeah, that shit look nasty, bro. Yeah, and they got my size out here, but I'm good, bro. I ain't even finna worry about it.
Oh yeah, for sure. After shot at that boy, I'm gonna get the black cat. I ain't gonna lie,
yeah, they messed these up. How y'all messed this up? It was just black and red, bro. Yeah, they ain't hitting the same.
3 that's black, the 4 that's black.
This shit is not hitting like 2011. Yeah, they've been better off just putting the red solid outsole, man. But this here just look, I don't even know what color. It look like burgundy. It look faded. Yeah, but I'm good on these, man. If y'all got them, let me know. But yeah, I'm super disappointed.